A new wheeled anti-aircraft guns independently developed by China are equipped with advanced radar and fire control systems, which cooperates as an independent combat unit. It can be called a king of anti-aircraft artillery. As a revolver-style anti-aircraft gun, the wheeled 35mm anti-aircraft gun has strong maneuverability and the advantages of accompanying mechanized troops in air defense operations. It is definitely an effective air defense weapon of the medium-sized combat brigade.
We put the three tasks that are target search, tracking and firing in one vehicle. We can be firing, searching, and tracking at the same time in the course of moving. It is more suitable for a combat field with need of air defense.
Different from towing, the dual-barrel design of the vehicle-mounted 35mm anti-aircraft gun is a single-barreled gun in the center of the wheeled anti-aircraft gun. But it does not mean that combat effectiveness is reduced, because of its use of a brand new revolving automation. This doubles the rate of fire of the single tube, and the firepower density is no less than that of the double-tube anti-aircraft gun. The structure of the rolling is somewhat similar to a revolver. This way of supplying shells can effectively improve the accuracy and reliability of strikes. However, the revolving automaton has high requirements for the accuracy of the positioning of the cartridge, the material of the barrel, and the scattering design. A country without strong industrial technology may not be able to build. After the continuous upgrade and research and development, the 35mm anti-aircraft gun still occupies an unshakable position as the last air defense line.